Hi guys, it's KizWithMarketingSM.com. Welcome back to another great video. Today I'm gonna show you a website that's gonna pay you to become a digital moderator, and I'm gonna explain you just in a second what is all about this website and how it works. Before we go ahead and start this video, as always, if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button following the right side of this video, because it will be a great honor to have you on my side. You can check out videos on how you can make money from the comfort of your house, and next to it there's a bell icon. Make sure you click on it so you can get a notification for when I release videos just for you know how you make money. So with no further ado, let me go ahead and start today's video. The website I'm going to talk about is called modsquad.com. As always, the link is listed below, so you can click it. It's going to bring you to this homepage. And what these guys does, they do a digital engagement for companies. Let me tell you exactly what is done, what we do. They have, these guys are controlling and they help the companies right now. Everything is on digital and social media, yeah. So they help the companies, the individuals that they have business online to get all the digital platforms they're using to be updated and so on. So our mods provide the resources you need to survive and thrive in today's digital world. Let me scroll down to see. The world's favorite brands really rely on us for moderation, customer support, community, and social. Yeah, okay, what are you waiting for? Our customers are interacting with your brand 24/7, sharing experience on social networks, blogs, community pages, and so on. So basically companies are signing ModSquad with access to their social platforms, blogs, social networks, and so on. So customers like you and I go and visit different websites, and you see there is a window popping up that support, how we can assist you. That's one example on how you can do it. Or you have the 3 zillion different ways you can promote your site right now, your business. You have the LinkedIn, the Twitter, the Facebook, Instagram, and so on. So somebody needs to be running behind this and show constant presence. So that's where we're coming, and this is what we're becoming. We're becoming part of this community, and we help the companies to be able to be there at all times with the customers. It always looks, guys, it always looks great, yeah, when you go shopping on a website and you see there is somebody there that you can ask him a quick question about the product or the service, and you receive the feedback. It always feels amazing, and you feel more trustful buying from these guys, yeah, because it's somebody there, direct access 24/7, and this is what these guys do. And you can see you are able to engage on technology on human level, moderate your virtual keepers of the peace, support your customers, deserve nothing less. And some of the industries they work in right now, these guys are everywhere: in e-commerce, gaming, technology, entertainment, in kids, publishing, government, mobile, pretty much they're everywhere. Now the interesting part, guys, the offices are located at the moment US, Philippines, and the States, but they are hiring people from all around the world. So what I want you to do is contact us. Actually, no, I want you to scroll the way down, guys, and join the mods. That's where we'll be interested. And here I said you can watch a small video, but here you can see a little bit what you'll be doing. Mods are pros in digital engagement, moderating forums, chatting with customers, managing community, and puzzling in social media. As a mod in our network, you can work from any private location with secure high-speed internet access. So this is the only thing you need. You just need internet access anywhere around the globe, and you'll be able to perform this job as long as you have internet access and a computer. That's why I love this site. It's legit. They are paying good. So why not giving it a shot? Only thing you need to do is, I told you, just scroll down a little bit. You can see here a little bit more information about the job description, and then you just click the start here. You put your info, your country, your CV, and so on, and they will contact you accordingly to take it from there. Guys, give it a shot. It's available worldwide. It's a very legit job. You can do it at your own place with internet access, and I love it. It's very legit. That's what I love, the freedom about this kind of jobs. So go ahead and give it a shot. I hope you it's something that works out for you, and if not, as always, make sure you can click my #1 recommendation below on how you can make passive income from the comfort of your house, and you can thank me later on. This is what I want to show you today. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If yes, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Let's make some money together. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.